Set the brake so the stroller stays steady. Recline the seat all the way back to create a flat base. The newborn apron is stored under the footrest. Lift the footrest to find it tucked underneath. Unroll the apron all the way so it's fully open. Wrap the apron around the footrest and over the bumper bar to form a deep pocket for your newborn. Secure the snaps around the bumper bar. It's easiest to snap one from each side. Then flatten out the apron. Then secure the remaining snaps around the bar. Make sure the apron is snug, smooth, and fully wrapped so the pocket feels secure. You can rotate the seat to be parent-facing or world-facing. To convert back to a seat, undo the snaps around the bumper bar. Roll the apron back up and place it under the footrest where it stores neatly.